kiss him.
Did you have a window?
Yeah, it's that on the floor.
Yeah, just you walk right out. You jump pretty
I don't like it.
I have.
Our house is 1860. It's a spooky, man.
I had a house I lived in West Virginia. It was built back about the same time. It was a cabin they added on to.
Yeah, it's how
My
it's
bedroom
done.
was the front porch. And one day, a lightning bolt hit that house, and it blew all the outlets off the wall. And it was built like a log cabin. Blew the fucking outlets out of the
They
wall.
closed?
What do you mean?
Domino's number?
What do you want, Domino's?
Any pizza place, they're closed. 10 o'clock on Friday. Thursday.
That's a rough one.
It's 11 o'clock on
Today's Thursday.
Oh, yeah, I know, that's why they're closed.
That's the place I don't have a. That's all I got.
Doorbell's on the door.
No, his room is bed at 6. That's his bedroom.
Sorry, dog.
Oh, that's asshole.
I guess.
I don't know that. I asked him, I said, how big's your place? He goes, same thing as you got. But yeah, you got a full kitchen. That'd be nice. I'll go look, man. This is I got this. I got the Chinese joint.
What do you think? Hey, Domino's open later or what?
They come now, it's just
Is it?
like-
I don't know, man.
It's anything like ours.
That's where they're at. Sometimes they're around until 10.
Yeah, I just want to get an extra large.
I'm just saying, I think that's the real thumb of 10.
Yeah. Why no?
No info.
There you go.
I know, you won't figure what that was. I won't feel it before I leave.
We got what's good. I got hats.
What's the next, what is it, hours?
Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. That's not special, so excuse me. I don't have my glasses on, baby. 10 a.m. Where's Pat's at?
That's all they have around there, though.
Oh, fancy meeting you and your bub.
Yeah, I just heard thunder, I thought we were ready to have a thunderstorm.
Why are they coming from the back?
We got an out in front and an
What's up with the camera in the bathroom? Huh?
I was taking a leak in the room.
I kid you not, Sarah, I just have a cat. And the ass is every time you look at it, shoots ass up in here. Now, this cat was an inside cat. He got out one time and never wanted to come back in. So made a friend, a squirrel outside. Everybody would be sitting out on the deck partying, right? The squirrel would come up and lay flat, right next to the cat. It was awesome.
Huh.
Feed it chicks. I even have a granddaughter.
Used to have one in Sarasota, Florida. Moved in there, and there was this big white.
Whoa! Right behind you.
I'm saying,
Big
I
thunder.
Hey!